It's a beautiful day in Darvon Park, Santa Clara. Hi, I'm Vinicius Brazil, Santa Clara real estate guy, and I'm excited to present to you our latest listing here in Darvon Park, 3165 Warburton Avenue. 3165 Warburton Avenue is a spacious home with ample living space, a central kitchen, and lots of natural light. The home features 5 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. One of the bedrooms is a flexible space, which is currently being used as a living room. Currently, there is a downstairs primary bedroom with ensuite bathroom and a guest bathroom adjacent to the other downstairs bedroom, convenient for an in-law's quarters. The formal living area is bright and has high ceilings, a wood-burning fireplace, and is open to the step-down living space. One of my favorite parts of this home is the living room and just how open it feels with the dining, living room, and kitchen all connected. This updated kitchen features sleek shaker-style cabinetry, LED recessed lighting, and it's open to the large dining area. There are 3 bedrooms and a guest bathroom in the upstairs area. The garage is professionally finished and has a new concrete slab. Backyard has 2 patio areas and a convenient storage shed. This home has been very well maintained and cared for. The exterior is watered by an automatic sprinkler system and features a newer concrete driveway. Additional features of this home include a central heating system, dual pane windows, automatic garage door opener, a whole house fan, and LED lighting throughout. Darvon Park is one of the best neighborhoods in this convenient West San Jose area. The neighborhood features multiple floor plans and elevations, is conveniently located near major commuting routes, restaurants, and shopping all along the El Camino. Also close proximity to neighborhood schools and parks. Hey, thank you so much for joining me on this tour of 3165 Warburton Avenue. If you've got any questions or need more information, if you want access to the floor plan or walk through the 3D tour, please visit the property website at 3165warburton.com for a private showing, or to get in touch with me, contact me at 408-582-3272 or email me directly at vbrazil@thebrazilgroup. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you.